Hi, good morning, my dear student. Yes, already I said to you last class, so properties just for a knowledge purpose I have given, and this moment it is a very important value that is called the area of a triangle. So when you are going to consider, when you are going to study it about, we have studied some values whose vertices are given. So I hope you know that triangle means it means a non-collinear point bounded by triangle, right? So it means area. It commonly non-collinear points are there. They are non things are there here. These point to express point A x1 y1 and point B x2 y2, point C x3 y3. These 3 points whose construct in the form of equation 1 by 2, right? So in the bracket y you can keep in your mind x1. So here x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2. So here y2 minus y3. So it express, keep in your mind, 1 by 2 del of 1 by 2 close bracket x1 open bracket. So y2 minus y3 open bracket closes. So plus x2 here y3 minus y1 plus, so x3 here y1 minus y2, that open bracket close and big close. So this expression can be converted in the form of, now we are going to express in the form of determinant. So in the del is equal to 1 by 2 determinant x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. First row x1 y1 1, second row x2 y2 1, x3, third row x3 y3 1. So these expressions. So here most important some remarks are there. What are the remarks? So here as commonly you can think of, area is always positive quantity. Area we can express for the positive numbers, but we are going to take absolute values because the reason some equations may be negative. So in the second remark, if both may be negative, may be positive, but calculation should be do it. That don't forget, when it comes to the negative, neglect the negative sign and put square units. That is a very important calculations of the area of triangle. The third one is most important. Maximum time they are asking 1 marks question or 3 marks question on the basis. When they have given problem, the 3 marks question. Otherwise, simply they are expressed for the values. If the 3 points it is collinear, the point should be 0. That expressions are there. Let us discuss first how to calculate that values one by one. So by the area of the triangle. Now present area of the triangle, very important, please keep in your mind, very important. So here I can give one 3 star because always 3 marks question, 2 marks question and 1 marks question. So in the chances maybe at times 5 marks also available is there because property they are deleted, but this one is possibilities are there. When we have studied that area of triangle whose vertices are x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y2 given in the expression, what we say that del is equal to 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3, here x1 2 3, right? Try to remember very simple tricks. 1 by 2 x1 y2 y3, here minus is there. So x2 2 3 1 decreasing order, here 3 1 2, that's over. So but in this whole term should be expressed in the form of determinant, that is the right. We are going to express the values. So how to take this one? So here del they are going to write, but this one I will convert. Del is equal to 1 by 2, right? Close bracket. This is the 1 x1. So shall I write open bracket? So neglect. I said that neglect rows and columns. y2 minus y3. So here y2 minus y3. I hope try to understand. So here you are there the neglect rows and columns. So y2 minus y3, this format, right? So next one, I'm going to defining another one. Which one? So here, next point. So this point is there. So here, already I said that minus y1 because, so keep in our mind, so plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, this symbol, right? Equation is the total one. So this one minus, okay, problem is not there. So this one, so write like that. Keep in our mind. So exists x2 y3. So x2 y, sorry, not x2 is there here, clear? So here check it, x2 y3, x2 y, sorry, x2 x3, right? So but most important expressions. So let us discuss this one, right? So here they are claiming, or otherwise don't take this one, you are going to express for the columns, it is easy for yourself, right? So here I can take this one, finish, right, no problem. Now I'm going to expansion for the columns. So this one is there, right? Here I'm going to define. So because there is an x1 x2 minus is there, right? Second point is minus x2 in this one. So why I'm not taking the row, I'm going to taking the columns, column expansion. So here this one and this one, keep in our mind. So y1 minus y3, y1 minus y3. So next one, here you are going to define, finish this one, right? So here plus is the here, plus minus plus. So I can take x3, then you have calculate, here you are, where is there here, right? So this one and this one, y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2, clear? So why I'm going to take it expansion for the column, I'm expansion for the column. So in this one, del is equal to 1 by 2, so x1, y2 minus y3 minus, I can take here, look at this, here negative is the common, so this negative will comes here positive, x2, so y3 minus y1. So when I can take negative common, it is a positive, and this one positive is there, it will go to negative. So last one, x3, so y1 minus y2. Look at this, this expansion and this expansion, that's similar. So when I can take a row, that is a different values. Again, so much complicated, but it is a very easiest. This formula, it 100% important, right? So next remarks, I said, since area is always positive quantity, because the reason we cannot express in the form of negative areas, absolute value of determinant equation number 1. If area is both may be positive or negative of the determinant for the calculation. The third most important, the area of the triangle formed by 3 non-collinear points. 3 collinear points, non-collinear not there. So this one is also, so many times they are discussed this question. So please, I am going to next standard formula. Please, this one keep in your mind, 100% practice. So what we are going to say that determinant 1 by 2, x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Then only for column expansion, not row expansion here. Please try to understand. I will go to define another on this base problems. So thank you so much. I will continue the next video. Bye.